Welcome to my channel! For today's video, I'm going to share our recipe for a chicken and mushroom stir fry. Please watch until the end for special shoutouts. Let's start cooking! The first thing we need is half a kilo of boneless chicken thigh. Next, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. A few dashes of Knorr liquid seasoning, chili flavor. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. White pepper. Garlic powder. And onion powder. Mix thoroughly and marinate for at least 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
Add oil to a hot pan. Add the marinated chicken and stir fry until the color becomes light brown. Chicken's light brown, transfer it to a clean plate. Fry 5 cloves of minced garlic. Add 3 medium-sized onions. Add 2 medium-sized carrots cut into small pieces. Stir fry for 2 minutes. Next, add sliced button mushrooms and 2 bell peppers cut into small strips. Stir fry for another 2 minutes. Add the chicken and continue cooking. Add half a teaspoon of salt, ground black pepper, sweet chili sauce. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix well and it is ready to serve. Lapit na ulit ang favorite part ko. It's Tiki Iman time! This is a Panda Express inspired dish. I hope you try to cook this for your family. Oras na ulit para sa ating special shout out! Shout out po kay Herschel Tubon, Dante Zafe, Genesis Velarde, Emily, Tiki, Ted, Lopez, Lian, Alexa, Akim, Rachel, Dimakali, Tina, Avila, Jesseline, Titi, Lola Lisa, Velarde, Lola Lorna, Pantola, Criseder, Raagas, Jocelyn Hinlo, Lolo Willie Hernandez, and Natalie Denise Nainge. Stay safe guys and enjoy your day. If you want to see more videos like this,